Hairdressers swear that shampooing the correct way does make a difference. You will need a wide-toothed comb, shampoo, conditioner, a large towel, and a detangler or leave-in conditioner. Optional, a deep conditioner. Step 1. Untangle your hair with a wide-toothed comb before you shower, or you'll have a hopeless tangled mess when you're done. Step 2. Next, loosen dirt and dead skin by massaging your scalp for a minute. Use the pads of your fingers, not the nails. Step 3. Thoroughly wet your hair with warm, not hot water. Very hot water damages hair shafts, causing flyaway hair. Don't wash your hair every day. All you'll get for your trouble are oily roots and brittle ends. Step 4. Pour a quarter-sized amount of shampoo into your hand, rub it between your palms, and then spread it evenly over your scalp. Using more shampoo than that will strip your hair's natural oils, leading to the frizzies. Step 5. Work up a lather for at least a minute. Step 6. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Contrary to what you've probably heard, do not rinse hair until it squeaks, or you'll be rinsing away the hair's natural oils. Step 7. Squeeze your hair to remove excess water, then rub a quarter-sized amount of conditioner between your hands. Apply most of it to the ends of your hair where moisture is needed most. Leave it on for at least 2 minutes. If you have damaged hair, use a deep conditioner every few weeks, according to directions. Step 8. Rinse the conditioner with warm water, adding a final blast of cold water to seal the cuticles, which makes hair really shine. Step 9. Gently squeeze out excess water with a clean towel. Then wrap the towel around your head and let it absorb some more water. Hair is at its weakest and most prone to breakage when it's soaking wet. Step 10. Spray on a little detangler or leave-in conditioner before combing your hair. Did you know? On average, hair grows about half an